I stopped budgeting, and that's when I finally started building wealth. Let me explain. For years, I did what everyone told me: track every dollar, write down every purchase, review my spending at the end of each month. I was the perfect budgeter, and I was completely stuck. My savings account stayed empty. My debt barely moved. Nothing changed no matter how hard I tracked. Here's what I realized. Traditional budgeting is a trap. It keeps you focused on the past. Every receipt, every transaction, every coffee you feel guilty about. I was so obsessed with where my money went that I never spent any energy planning where it should go. I was an expert at documenting failure. It's like driving a car by staring at the rearview mirror. Sure, you can see everything behind you, but you'll never get where you're going. So I stopped. I stopped tracking every purchase. I stopped logging receipts. I stopped the guilt spiral every time I bought something. And I started doing something completely different. I started designing my future instead of documenting my past. First, I calculated my real surplus, income minus fixed expenses. One number that tells me exactly what I control each month. Second, I assigned that surplus to goals before the month started. Emergency fund, debt payoff, vacation. Every dollar had a job on day one. Third, I started simulating decisions. What if I cut this expense? What if I added a side hustle? What if rent goes up next year? The Finance Reset Toolkit lets you see the outcome before you make the choice. You're not reacting anymore. You're planning. Within 3 months, my emergency fund had more money than ever. Within 6 months, my debt was dropping faster than I thought possible. I wasn't tracking better. I was thinking differently. People using this system stopped the guilt cycle and started building real wealth. They let go of tracking every penny and focused on the decisions that actually matter. If you're ready to stop budgeting and start building, hit the like button, comment wealth below, and subscribe for more. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit and make the switch today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.